So this is the other cage, and you can see right in the center of the screen, that is the chocolate society finch. And those are the babies. All of those are babies except that black-headed female is not. And there's actually one more baby somewhere. He's a dilute blackhead. Look how pretty they are. I'm going to have my red-headed starfinch and my orange-headed female starfinch. She looks so cute. And my canaries were bathing. All those right there are the babies. They love bathing. And then I want to show you guys my diamond dove. They've got 2 eggs, and hopefully they'll hatch this year. Last year they laid about 25 eggs, and not one baby hatched. All of them were fertile except a few eggs. Literally just like 3 eggs were not fertile out of 25, but they just don't hatch. And so this year I'm wondering if, with all the good stuff I gave them to eat, maybe their genes will pull together and be stronger, and maybe the babies will hatch this time. If not, I'm going to get another male or another female and then pair them up with one of these guys here. If not, get 2 pairs or another pair and split these guys up. And then my parrotlets, those guys there, they have 2 eggs today, and she's got 1 egg in her. That's my blue-pied female, and my yellow split to something. These are the parrotlets. They got their nest box there. And then my green cheek conures. They have, that's the male. He's always out. The female's always on the nest. They got eggs. I don't know how many. That pair has eggs. The male's hanging upside down and the female's in the corner. She's a blue. She's green cheek, turquoise green cheek conure. And he's a visual green split to turquoise. And of course this little guy needs a mate. That's a little parrotlet too. Alright, thought I'd share. They're all done.